Hello, my name is Adrian Rodriguez. I am originally from Friendswood, Texas, which is a suburb from Southeast Houston. I have experience in developing technologies as a project manager for about 3 years. I also have experience working as a inside sales assistant for inside sales team. I really enjoyed both of these experiences, and I really hope that this experiences allow me to go into the workforce to further myself in working for an administrative body, as well as working within management, as my skills from working from these two positions allowed me to really better my skills working with people as well, and I feel that I'd be able to really integrate myself well within a team setting. Um, some of my future goals would be probably to start a business eventually, but you know, like all things, you gotta work a little bit before you can really start and dive into something like that. But such is life, right?